How you guys doing today? This is the yesterday morning when I came into bathroom. I was like, what the fuck is this? What? The floor was wet. And then I found my washing machine was broken, water leaking. Actually, at first I wanted to fix it by myself, and I searched on YouTube and watched some videos how to fix it, and I found it's impossible for me to fix it because I don't know nothing about washing machine or electric things. I googled how much the brand new ones. Also, I asked some friends, also my sisters, do you know how much they are? And one of my sisters answered me, like, I got a brand new one, like 60,000 yen. So I went to Yamada Denki on my way from my father's place. Oh, by the way, I went to see my father afternoon. And then I checked how much. Actually, bigger ones are like 100,000 yen. But it's too big for me, so maybe I need a smaller one. 7 liters one, like 60,000 yen. 6 liters ones are like 50,000 yen. And then I asked the staff of the shop, if I get this one today, when can you set it up to my house? And he said maybe 1 week later or something. That means August 20th. So I asked again, so if I get this one tomorrow, you mean you come to my house on August 21st, right? But he said, no, sorry, but I can't promise you because right now it's holiday season. Many people get refrigerators, floor lights, air conditioner, also washing machine. So we are very busy. So I decided, like, I take this one now. Anyway, I get brand new washing machine. Anyway, come to our shows if you have time. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.